I am technology that is changing investing forever.
Your next stockbroker might just be a computer.
I'm a fully automated investment advisory service.
Wealth management firm Charles Schwab recently launched a new service called Schwab Intelligent Portfolio. The service is unique in that it's not a person who decides where to invest your money, it's an algorithm.
So let's imagine a 35-year-old investor. We already answered they're saving for retirement. They're going to start at our minimum, which is $5,000.
And here we have it. So what have we got?
Here we have it. So they're a fairly aggressive investor, as you can see from the low to high on the risk-return spectrum. They're towards the right-hand side. A 77% stock, 11% fixed income. You can see the remainder in the portfolio.
For decades, this was the familiar face of Wall Street. But the work once done by traders is being replaced by a competitor that doesn't need cigarette or holiday breaks. Machines are now responsible for most of the activity on Wall Street.
There's computers that can read the news faster. They can read SEC or regulatory filing. As such, they can look through and parse out information and find there's something in there that might have taken a human, the best human, 5 minutes. And now they can do it in fractions of a second. So it changes the dynamics and the speeds at which things happen.
Buy and sell orders are now happening in milliseconds. But as electronic trading expert Brad Bailey explained, speed also has its downsides.
As I like to say, there's a lot of nanoseconds or milliseconds in a second. A lot can happen in those time frames before humans can react.
5 years ago, on May 6, the Dow Jones inexplicably plunged in an event known as the flash crash. An example of extreme market volatility, critics blamed computerized trading. For regulators, it raised awkward questions. Were they keeping pace with market changes?
It takes time for regulators to spot the problems, become aware of it, and once they become aware of it, to adopt rules, get them in place, get them drafted properly, and then get them implemented.
Once the stuff of science fiction, artificial intelligence is taking over Wall Street. And for better or worse, it isn't going away. Michelle Fleury, BBC News, New York.